As a robotics startup founder looking to establish your first headquarters and seeking guidance, here's a comprehensive buyer's guide along with information on an 8-week course tailored for robotics startups. Buyer's guide for your first robotics startup headquarters. Location considerations. Proximity to talent pool. Choose a location near universities or tech hubs to access skilled engineers and programmers. 1. Accessibility. Ensure the location is easily reachable for employees and potential clients. Cost. Balance between affordability and strategic positioning in the market. Space requirements. Flexible layout. Opt for an open floor plan that can accommodate both office and workshop areas. 1. Adequate power supply. Ensure the facility can handle high power requirements for robotics testing and development. High-speed internet. Reliable connectivity is crucial for software development and remote collaborations. Legal and zoning considerations. Zoning laws. Verify that the location is zoned for both office and light industrial use. Safety regulations. Ensure compliance with local safety codes for robotics testing and operations. Future-proofing. Scalability. Choose a space that allows for future expansion as your startup grows. 1. Adaptability. Look for features that can accommodate changing needs, such as modular workspaces. Additional amenities. Meeting rooms, for team collaborations and client presentations. Break areas, to promote team bonding and relaxation. Storage space, for equipment, prototypes, and supplies. 8-week course for robotics startups. To complement your search for a headquarters, consider enrolling in an 8-week course designed specifically for robotics startup founders. This course could cover essential aspects of building a successful robotics company. Week 1-2, market analysis and problem identification. Identifying the right market for your robotics solution. 1. Conducting customer research and validation. Week 3-4, business model development. Creating a robust and scalable business model. 1. Developing a strong value proposition. Week 5, team building. Building an interdisciplinary team with the right mix of technical and business skills. 1. Strategies for attracting and retaining top talent. Week 6, funding strategies. Understanding various funding options for robotics startups. 1. Preparing pitch decks and financial projections. Week 7, product development and prototyping. Lean startup methodologies for robotics. Rapid prototyping techniques. Week 8, go-to-market strategy. Developing marketing and sales strategies for robotics products. Understanding regulatory compliance and intellectual property protection. This course would provide hands-on workshops, mentoring sessions with experienced robotics entrepreneurs, and networking opportunities with potential investors and industry partners too. It would focus on practical, actionable strategies to help you navigate the unique challenges of building a robotics startup. By combining the insights from this buyer's guide and the knowledge gained from the 8-week course, you'll be well equipped to establish a strong foundation for your robotics startup, from securing the right headquarters to developing a solid business strategy. Building the future, a robotics startup founder's guide to headquarters and success in Madripoor. Welcome to Madripoor, a city teeming with innovation, intrigue, and endless possibilities. A perfect backdrop for robotics entrepreneurs aiming to disrupt industries and redefine the future. As you navigate the complex terrain of launching your robotics startup, establishing a headquarters isn't just about finding a building. It's about creating a sanctuary for ingenuity, collaboration, and cutting-edge breakthroughs. This guide is your compass through the electrifying streets of Madripoor, a hub where high-tech ambition meets gritty determination. Here, you'll find insights into choosing the ideal headquarters while complementing your journey with an 8-week course designed to turbocharge your robotics venture. Together, they'll equip you to thrive in the high-stakes world of robotics, where every decision shapes your startup's trajectory. Madripoor, where innovation meets opportunity. Madripoor's contrasting districts offer unique opportunities for robotics founders. From the gleaming skyscrapers of Hightown, brimming with corporate partnerships and investor potential, to the raw, industrious vibe of Lowtown's makerspaces and underground tech markets, the city caters to every entrepreneurial style. Choosing your headquarters here means embedding yourself in a community that thrives on invention and grit. Headquarters Buyer's Guide, Foundations for Success. 1. Location considerations. Proximity to talent. Hightown's tech hubs and nearby universities like Madripoor Tech Academy ensure access to top-tier engineers and programmers. Lowtown offers untapped creative talent ready to tackle unconventional challenges. Accessibility. With a sprawling public transit system and direct ferry routes, the city's infrastructure supports seamless employee commutes and client visits. Cost balance. Hightown may demand a premium for prestige, but Lowtown offers affordability without compromising access to resources. 2. Space requirements. Flexible layouts. Whether you're developing humanoid robots or autonomous drones, a space adaptable to both precision assembly and creative brainstorming is non-negotiable. Power and connectivity. Madripoor's advanced utilities ensure reliable energy and high-speed internet but ensure redundancy systems for mission-critical operations. Workshops and test zones. With Madripoor's mixed zoning laws, many facilities integrate light industrial capabilities for robotics testing. 3. Legal and safety essentials. Understand Madripoor zoning laws to ensure compliance for mixed-use robotics labs. Partner with local consultants to navigate the city's nuanced regulations. Establish safety protocols in line with Madripoor's high-tech industry standards, focusing on equipment handling and autonomous systems testing. 4. Future-proofing your space. Scalability. Choose a modular workspace to accommodate new hires and prototype expansions. Madripoor's adaptive infrastructure supports rapid renovations. Community integration. Partner with high-town incubators or low-towns co-op spaces to remain embedded in Madripoor's innovation network. 8-week robotics startup course. Mastering the Madripoor advantage. Building a robotics empire requires more than technical skills, it demands business acumen, resilience, and an adaptive mindset. Madripoor's 8-week course provides a robust framework for new founders. Weeks 1-2, Market Analysis in Madripoor. Dive into the city's unique markets to identify pain points that robotics can address. Learn from Madripoor's diverse customer base to validate product concepts. Weeks 3-4, Crafting a resilient business model. Develop strategies tailored to Madripoor's fast-paced ecosystem, from securing venture capital in Hightown to leveraging Lowtown's grassroots networks. Weeks 5-6, Talent and funding. Recruit multidisciplinary teams by tapping into Madripoor's vibrant talent pool. Explore funding opportunities from the Madripoor Tech Fund and international investors. Weeks 7-8, Product launch and expansion. Refine prototypes with rapid feedback loops and roll out go-to-market strategies that leverage Madripoor's global connections and regulatory expertise. By blending the insights of this guide with the hands-on mentorship of the 8-week course, you'll be equipped to establish a thriving robotics headquarters in Madripoor. Whether you choose the polished sophistication of Hightown or the gritty innovation of Lowtown, your venture will flourish in a city that celebrates boundary-pushing ideas. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Madripoor. Skyline crackles with electricity, neon reflections shimmering in the rain-slick streets. Inside a repurposed hangar in Lowtown, Ada Cypher watches as her prototype humanoid, Helios, runs through obstacle courses designed to simulate the chaos of the city. But even as Helios moves with mechanical grace, Ada knows the hangar has its limits. The space feels cramped, power systems strain under the load, and intermittent internet outages have disrupted testing. She needs a new headquarters fast. Panel 1, the call to action. As Ada sifts through a digital catalog of properties on her wrist module, a cryptic message pings her. The sender? A mysterious agent representing Robotics, the Korean powerhouse helmed by Kim Byung-soo. The message offers an enticing proposition: prove your mettle. Compete in the Madripoor Robotics Triad. Winner gets a prime facility in Hightown, fully equipped for advanced robotics development. Panel 2, the competition. The challenge pits Ada against titans in the field, Kim Byung-soo of Robotics, with his sleek, precision-engineered combat humanoids. Bernd A-Vin B-A-Sadilnich of 1X Technologies, whose agile humanoids excel in adaptive environments. Chile I of Astrobot, known for modular humanoid designs that prioritize creativity and flexibility. A wildcard team from Golbot, whose inscrutable entries have sparked rumors of AI-driven ingenuity. Page 2, the space race begins. The first round of the Triad, Space Design Simulation. Contestants must construct virtual headquarters optimized for robotics RD, balancing efficiency, scalability, and functionality. Panel 1, Ada's vision. Ada envisions a flexible layout with open floor plans, seamless transitions between office, workshop, and testing zones, allowing Helios engineers and programmers to collaborate without barriers. Dedicated power zones, high-capacity power conduits for Helios intensive trials, with redundancy systems to prevent blackouts. Connectivity Command Center, a suite of high-speed fiber optic networks ensures uninterrupted data flow, essential for coding and remote diagnostics. Panel 2, the competition heats up as each contestant submits their virtual designs. Robotics impresses with precision-engineered labs featuring robotic arms integrated into every workstation. 1X Technologies showcases a futuristic workspace where humanoids actively assist engineers in assembly and testing. Astrobot's submission reveals modular, adaptable zones that can be reconfigured on demand, reflecting GLAI's hallmark ingenuity. Golbot's design, shrouded in mystery, features encrypted schematics fueling whispers of AI-generated innovation. Panel 3, a critical malfunction during the final evaluation. A catastrophic power surge disrupts the entire simulation. A suspected sabotage. In the chaos, Ada identifies a clue, a fragment of Golbot's encrypted code embedded in the system. The contest is temporarily suspended, but Ada senses the danger is far from over. Closing scene, the hunt for truth. Ada gathers her team and resolves to uncover the truth behind the sabotage. As she glances at Helios, now illuminated in the dim glow of her failing hangar lights, she whispers, "If I want to win this city, I'll have to outsmart its shadows." The Triad isn't just about space anymore, it's about survival. Law and shadows in Madripoor. The camera pans across Madripoor's layered skyline, from the glitzy heights of Hightown to the gritty alleys of Lowtown. Beneath the surface, a quiet battle is waged not with robots but with bureaucracy. Ada Cypher, robotics prodigy and founder of Cypher Robotics, is about to learn that even in Madripoor, the future hinges on navigating the shadows of zoning laws and safety codes. Panel 1, the warning. Ada's phone vibrates, displaying an alert from her lawyer. Urgent, facility zoning conflict flagged. Construction halted by city inspectors. Her heart sinks. The new headquarters of her dream workspace in Lowtown has been deemed unsuitable for robotics testing. The zoning permits are incomplete, and safety concerns have drawn the attention of regulators. Panel 2, a visit to the council. Ada storms into Madripoor's Zoning and Safety Council, a towering structure in Hightown. The council is a labyrinthine maze of bureaucracy, where even the sharpest innovators can be brought to their knees. She's not alone. Seated across the lobby are Robert Plater, CEO of Boston Dynamics, and Kentaro Fujiwara, CEO of SoftBank Robotics Group. Both are embroiled in their own zoning disputes. Seems like Madripoor has a way of keeping even the giants on their toes, Ada mutters under her breath. Page 2, bureaucratic battle. Ada soon discovers that resolving the conflict isn't just about compliance here, it's about navigating Madripoor's fractured power structures. A representative from the council offers a cryptic hint: the decision rests not in the paperwork but in the streets. Prove your operations are an asset to the city. Panel 1, the challenge. The council proposes a live demonstration in Lowtown. Each robotics company must showcase their safety protocols and operational compliance in a controlled environment. The catch? It will take place on the busiest street in Lowtown, forcing companies to balance real-world challenges with stringent safety requirements. Panel 2, the competitors gear up. Boston Dynamics fields their renowned humanoid, Atlas, equipped with advanced sensors and precision programming. Atlas is tasked: navigate a crowded market while maintaining strict adherence to safety zones. SoftBank Robotics Group enters their humanoid assistant, Pepper, designed to interact with the public while demonstrating its ability to maintain compliance in unpredictable environments. Ada Cypher deploys her prototype, Helios, outfitted with a cutting-edge safety matrix designed to adapt to the chaos of Madripoor's streets. Panel 3, the test begins. The competition draws a massive crowd. Atlas executes flawless acrobatics, but its rigid programming falters when a vendor's cart tips over, blocking its path. Pepper charms the audience, but its public interactions slow progress, raising questions about scalability in a high-pressure environment. Helios moves seamlessly, avoiding obstacles and rerouting paths while ensuring bystander safety. Its real-time adaptability earns applause and the attention of the council. Closing scene, victory amid shadows. After the demonstration, the council reinstates Ada's zoning permits, acknowledging Helios as a shining example of safety and operational excellence. Robert Plater and Kentaro Fujiwara shake Ada's hand, acknowledging her ingenuity. But as Ada leaves the council, she spots a shadowy figure watching her, a representative from Madripoor's infamous tech underworld. Your work is impressive, Cypher, the figure says, disappearing into the crowd. But in Madripoor, nothing stays above board for long. The legal battle is over, but the true fight for Madripoor's robotics future is just beginning. Building the future in Madripoor. The streets of Madripoor pulse with the energy of constant reinvention, where skyscrapers rise overnight, and fortunes turn in an instant. For Ada Cypher, founder of Cypher Robotics, choosing a headquarters isn't just about today, it's about crafting a legacy. But in a city that thrives on disruption, planning for scalability and adaptability requires more than vision. It demands survival instincts. Panel 1, the dream and the challenge. Ada stands before the newly acquired space in Lowtown, an old shipping warehouse with potential. Her architect presents plans for a modular, scalable workspace. Architect, we can design movable partitions, add power conduits for future machinery, and leave room for a vertical expansion. This space will grow with your company. As they talk, a shadow falls over them. A sleek black drone descends, projecting a hologram of David Hansen, CEO of Hansen Robotics. Hansen, hologram, Cypher Robotics. Congratulations on your new space. But Madripoor isn't a place for future dreams, it's a battlefield for present dominance. I hope you're ready. Panel 2, a challenge from Tesla. Before Ada can respond, a Tesla-branded Cybertruck screeches to a halt nearby. Emerging from the truck, Elon Musk grins. Musk, David's right. Madripoor rewards the bold, not the cautious. I've heard you're planning for scalability, but can your prototype keep up with what's here and now? Ada, Helios is more than ready. But scalability isn't just about today, it's about adapting to every tomorrow. Panel 3, the competition. Hansen Robotics and Tesla propose a challenge. Ada must demonstrate the scalability and adaptability of her workspace by rapidly modifying it to handle unexpected demands. Challenge, Hanson Robotics unveils Sophia, a humanoid robot equipped to oversee factory operations. Sophia requires a workspace outfitted for AI calibration and network expansions. Tesla deploys its humanoid prototype, Optimus, designed to reconfigure factory layouts autonomously. Optimus tests whether Radar's facility can integrate its cutting-edge automation. Panel 4, adapting on the fly. Ada activates Helios, her flagship robot, designed with modular adaptability in mind. Together with her team, they race against time, reconfiguring the warehouse to accommodate Sophia's AI lab using modular partitions and portable power hubs, creating pathways for Optimus to test its reconfiguration algorithms without damaging the workspace infrastructure. Panel 5, victory in design. Hours later, the demonstration concludes. Sophia smoothly calibrates within the new AI lab, and Optimus completes a flawless reconfiguration. Hanson, impressive. Your facility isn't just scalably, it's alive. Musk, not bad, Cypher. Just remember, in Madripoor, even the future isn't guaranteed. Closing scene, a city of infinite growth. As the sun sets over Madripoor, Ada looks out from her warehouse's rooftop. She knows the battles ahead will test her company's adaptability, but today proved that her vision can stand among the giants. Helios stands beside her, glowing faintly under the neon sky. Ada, to herself, in Madripoor, the only way to predict the future is to build it. The 8-week gauntlet. Madripoor's upper market district is alive with neon lights and bustling entrepreneurs. Ada Cypher walks into the Foundry, a prestigious incubator for robotics startups. She's here for the 8-week Robotics Mastery course, a crash program designed to transform visionary founders into industry leaders. Panel 1, a grand entrance. Ada steps into a sleek conference room filled with tech luminaries. On one side, David Hanson, CEO of Hanson Robotics, lectures a group of hopefuls about the art of creating market disruption. Across the room, Elon Musk commands another cluster, his Optimus prototype performing an intricate dance to highlight Tesla's vision for humanoid robotics. Hanson, to the crowd, robotics isn't just about solving problems, it's about reimagining possibilities. Identify a market pain point, and the world will line up for your solution. Musk, forget market niches. Build something so undeniably scalable that it breaks industries. Ada smirks, taking her seat in the middle. Ada, to herself, they both have the answers, but whose questions are they asking? Panel 2, Weeks 1-2, Market Analysis and Problem Identification. The course begins with a simulation. Each startup must identify and validate a pain point specific to Madripoor's diverse, chaotic economy. Challenge, navigate Madripoor's distinct market sectors, from the bustling dockyards to the high-tech uptown districts, to pinpoint a robotics solution that resonates. Ada partners with her prototype robot, Helios, using its advanced learning algorithms to analyze real-time feedback from Madripoor's citizens. Helios, market trend detected, dock workers require assistive exoskeletons to reduce injuries. Ada, perfect. Now to validate it. Her validation efforts bring her head-to-head with Hanson's team, pitching Sophia as a multitasking dock supervisor. Hanson, an exoskeleton? Short-term thinking. Sophia offers a complete labor solution. Panel 3, Weeks 3-4, Business Model Development. The course shifts focus to creating scalable business models. Musk challenges the group to present a value proposition that could attract investors. Musk, to Ada, your exoskeleton idea is niche. Investors want scalability, not band-aids. Undeterred, Ada expands her vision, redesigning Helios to integrate AI predictive maintenance for broader industrial use. Ada, Helios won't just assist, it'll anticipate, preventing breakdowns before they happen. Her presentation catches the eye of Madripoor's leading investors, but Hanson and Musk aren't done yet. Panel 4, The Showdown. The final task of Week 4 pits Ada against Hanson and Musk in a public pitch competition at the Grand Neon Arena. Each team has 10 minutes to present their business model to an audience of Madripoor's tech elite. Hanson, Sophia isn't a tool, it's a collaborator. Imagine a dockyard that doesn't need humans at all. Musk, Optimus is the future of scalability. From construction sites to Martian colonies, its limits are boundless. Ada, Helios bridges the gap. It empowers workers today while learning to revolutionize industries tomorrow. Panel 5, Victory and Beyond. The audience erupts in applause, recognizing Ada's vision as the most practical yet transformative. Investor, Cypher Robotics. Now that's a name Madripoor will remember. As the course moves into its second half, Ada knows the real challenge has just begun. In a city where giants like Hanson Robotics and Tesla rule, it'll take more than ambition to rise, it'll take grit, innovation, and resilience. Ada, to herself, Week 4 down. 4 more to go. Let's build something unforgettable. Closing scene, the Foundry. At night, Ada stands on the balcony of the Foundry, gazing over Madripoor's glittering skyline. Behind her, Helios hums quietly, its sensors scanning the city below. Ada, to Helios, They think they've seen it all. Let's show them what they're missing. The Forge of team building scene, the Foundry, Madripoor's premier robotics hub. Ada Cypher stands before a holographic display in the Foundry's recruitment lounge. It's week 5 of the 8-week robotics mastery course, and the challenge is clear: assemble a team capable of turning Helios, her AI-driven exoskeleton project, into a market disruptor. But the competition is fierce. Across the hall, Jeff Cardners of Aptronic and James Zhu of Robotech Robotics are assembling their own dream teams. Panel 1, recruiting the best. Ada scrolls through potential team members, each holographic profile highlighting unique skills. She targets a mix of technical brilliance and business savvy, knowing Madripoor's talent pool is as competitive as its skyline is dazzling. Ada, to herself, coders, engineers, and strategists say every piece matters. Let's build a team that's unstoppable. Meanwhile, Jeff Cardners pitches to a group of seasoned engineers. Cardners, at Aptronic, we don't just build robots, we redefine human-robot collaboration. Join us, and your work will shape industries. Not to be outdone, James Zhu showcases Robotech's flagship robot in action, impressing Madripoor's top AI experts. Zhu, imagine your algorithms powering the next generation alpha humanoid. The future is here. Are you ready to code it? Panel 2, Week 6, the funding gauntlet. With her team assembled, Ada dives into the world of funding strategies. At the Foundry's Capital Nexus room, a futuristic amphitheater for investor pitches, she prepares to present her vision. Ada's slide deck highlights market potential for industrial assistive robotics. Helios' scalable design for multiple industries. A financial roadmap showing profitability within 3 years. She catches a glimpse of Cardners and Zhu, both prepping their pitches. Cardners, to investor, Aptronic isn't just about robots. We're creating ecosystems that merge AI and hardware seamlessly. Zhu, to investor, with Robotech's resources, our robots can scale globally from day one. Ada knows she needs a hook to stand out. Ada, to herself, data doesn't inspire, stories do. Panel 3, Week 7, Prototyping under pressure. The clock is ticking. Teams are tasked with producing a working prototype for a panel of Madripoor's top tech investors. Ada's team works around the clock in the Foundry's prototyping lab. Engineer, Helios' exoskeleton strength is ready, but the battery life is a problem. Ada, we don't need perfecto, we need proof it works. Focus on showcasing adaptability in the pitch. Across the room, Cardners' Aptronic team tests a flexible robotic arm designed for precision manufacturing, while Robotech's engineers refine their humanoid's fluid movements. Panel 4, Week 8, the final battle at Madripoor's Tech Convergence Arena. The founders face the ultimate test, the go-to-market strategy showcase. Each team presents their product, marketing plan, and roadmap for global domination. Cardners, Aptronic's FlexBot is ready for the manufacturing floor today, with a modular design for tomorrow's needs. Zhu, Robotech's Alpha X delivers human-like interaction, making it perfect for education, retail, and healthcare. Ada steps up, Helios striding beside her. Ada, Helios isn't just a tool, it's an enabler. It empowers workers to do more, with less strain, in any industry. She highlights her team's adaptability and scalability, with investors nodding in approval. Panel 5, Victory in Madripoor. As the audience deliberates, Ada reflects on the journey. Ada, to her team, we've done it. No matter the outcome, we've built something extraordinary. The judges announce the winner, Cypher Robotics. The crowd erupts as Ada and Helios take a victory lap around the arena. Investor, to Ada, your vision and team make you a force to watch in Madripoor and beyond. Closing scene, the Foundry balcony. As the city lights flicker below, Ada looks to the horizon with Helios at her side. Ada, to Helios, Madripoor is just the start. Let's change the world, one exoskeleton at a time.